Hello everybody. I know it's been a while since I've created a video, but as some of you might know, I have been very busy working on a book series. And I wanted to announce that the first one has just come out. The Assembly of Magic, the story of Myrddin and Ancient Atlantis. It's book one in the Myrddin Chronicles. So this is going to be a series of books surrounded around the main character, and this is the first volume. So I'm very excited. After quite a long time, it's finally finished and available on Amazon. And I will post the link below the video. And I hope many of you will check it out, leave a review, buy the book, all of that good stuff. So why should I advertise this book on this channel? Well, one of the things that I noticed is that many books of any sort, romances, fiction, anything like that, that has sex scenes in it, and this includes gay romances, of course, there's very little talk of the foreskin. The foreskin is never represented in literature, at least not that I've seen. So I wanted to create a book. So this is a gay romance, fantasy, magic, things like that. So if you like those kinds of stories about Atlantis, to me, I see Atlantis, and that gets me, excited in reading what the book is about. So in this book, there is a theme throughout it, which is very much pro-foreskin, foreskin positivity, enjoying the foreskin in the sex scenes. Like I said, too many times, sex scenes in books act like the foreskin's not even there. So all of the things that we talk about, the foreskin that gives pleasure and things like that, the benefits of the foreskin, it's not mentioned in these books. So I decided to create a book so that we can have foreskin representation in literature also. This is the first book that I've done along these lines. As you've known from before, I have two other books that are more academic on the foreskin and against circumcision. So those themes are both present in this book, and they will be in each of the books of the series, where the main character teaches people against circumcision when he comes across it, is happy and proud to be not circumcised, uncircumcised, intact. And there's going to be encounters throughout the series that will bring this to the forefront. And so hopefully people will enjoy the books as well as get the pro-foreskin message. So once again, I just wanted to show this up here. Here is volume 1. So hopefully you will buy it, read it, enjoy it, recommend it to other people. And I am busy working on the future volumes. And of course I will try to keep people updated as those books come out and make videos about them. Any questions about the book, feel free to post them below the video. So have a great day and take a look at this book.